Good morning everyone. We have already discussed the digestive system, circulatory system and respiratory system of the cockroach. Now we are going to start the nervous system. The nervous system of the cockroach, the major part of it in the abdomen. The little or the bit of the nervous system are located in the head portion, the major part in the abdomen. That's why we say without the head the cockroach can live up to 1 week, because the nervous system mainly present in the abdomen, so it can survive without the head up to 1 week. So the nervous system is abdominal. It consists of the brain, main part the brain, the part of the central nervous system, consists of the fused segmentally arranged ganglia. The ganglia are joined by a pair longitudinal connective on ventral side. So the ganglia are, the sense organs are antenna, compound eye. The compound eye is made up of ommatidium. Is made up of ommatidium that form a mosaic image. So the sense organ are antenna, compound eye that is made up of ommatidium, then the maxillary pulp, the mouth parts, next maxillary pulp, then the labial pulp and the anal sulci that we discussed already. That is found in the 10th segment of the body in the male and female both. The anal sulci is the tactile and auditory in function So the compound eye is situated on the dorsal surface. The head, on the head, each eye consists of near about 2000 ommatidium, which provide a mosaic image. So the nervous system consists of a few segmental arranged ganglia that joined by longitudinal connective on ventral side, and the most of the nervous system is present on the abdomen. The little bit is present in the head. Good morning children. Today we are going to start the reproductive system of the cockroach. The reproductive system of cockroach we are going to start. As we know, the cockroach is a dioecious animal and show sexual dimorphism. Which means the male and female reproductive organs are found in separate organism. Male cockroach is different and the female cockroach is different. The anatomy of the male reproductive system consists of a pair of testes. Which are located at the 4th, 5th, 6th segment of abdomen. The testes, this is the vas deferens, 2 testes, trilobular testes present on the 4th, 5th, 6th abdominal segments, and the duct, the vas deferens arises from them. both the sperm duct or vas deferens opens into the ejaculatory duct, and the ejaculatory duct, and the last one the gonopore. The gonopore situated ventral to the anus. The seminal vesicle here, the seminal vesicle at the junction of vas deferens and the ejaculatory duct. The seminal vesicle and the mushroom gland, these are the mushroom gland or utricular gland. The mushroom gland or the utricular gland in the 6th and 7th abdominal segment function as a accessory reproductive gland. It is made up of two types of gland. The peripheral side we are seeing the long tubule, and the inner side these are the small tubule. So this is the mushroom gland or the utricular gland. The external genitalia, that is male gonopore or male gonophysis, phallomere. The phallomere, that is the external genitalia, include gonophysis or phallomere. The three chitinous structure, pseudopenis, phallomere and titillator. The external genitalia include male gonophysis or phallomere, the three chitinous structure, pseudopenis, phallomere and titillator help in copulation. The sperms are stored in seminal vesicle. The seminal vesicle store the sperms and glued together form a bundle or packet of sperm that is called spermatophore. The spermatophore, the bundle or packet of sperm that glued together, and it is released or discharged at the time of copulation. So the male reproductive structure, testes are there, vas deferens is there, ejaculatory duct is there, and the gonopore. The utricular gland is there, or mushroom gland, which is made up of two types of gland, long tubule or small tubule. This is the phallic gland, that is also the part of accessory reproductive organ that help in the covering of spermatophore. So this is the tube of the phallic gland, this is the ejaculatory duct, this one the pseudopenis, and this one the caudal style that is found only in the male cockroach. Now we discuss the female reproductive system of cockroach. The female reproductive system. The female reproductive system consists of two large ovaries lying laterally 2 to 6 abdominal segments. Two large ovaries lying laterally in the 2nd to 6th abdominal segments. Each ovary consists of 8 ovarioles. 8 ovarioles in each ovary. So total 16 ovarioles combined in both the ovary, containing a chain of developing ova. In the ovarioles, the ova develop. It means at a time the 16 eggs or ova can be produced. Each oviduct opens into a oviduct, and both the oviduct opens into a common oviduct which opens into a genital pouch. This is the genital pouch. A pair of spermatheca, this one the spermatheca, that store the sperms at the time of copulation. So a pair of spermatheca is present in the 6th segment. This is present at the 6th segment which opens into the genital chamber. The fertilization. Now the fertilization means the fusion of male or female gametes. So at the time of the copulation, the sperm released in the form of spermatophore. That we already discussed, the spermatophore are the packet or bundle of the sperms glued together. The fertilized egg within a case enclosed in ootheca. Ootheca is a fertilized encased egg. Ootheca is dropped in the dark and high place where rich in organic matter. On the average, female can produce 9 to 10 ootheca, and each ovary, the eggs may be, the 16 may be there, the 16 ovules are there. The developing stage is egg, then nympho, that after the many molting convert into adult. So the male and female reproductive system we have discussed. Now in the next video we will start the anatomy of stem, root and leaf.